Are you ready to learn today's lesson? Okay, today we can learn some short phrases which we can use in our daily conversation. Okay, let's get started. Okay, if you need some food you wanna eat, then how can you say আমি ক্ষুধার্ত, এটি কিভাবে বলবো? Okay, this is I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Okay, you have to say I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Okay, I feel hungry. Then you want or you need food, then you can say I want a food. I want a food. I want a food. Okay, I want a food. Then you have to say give me food. Give me food. Give me food. Okay, give me food. If you need food, then you have to say give me food. Okay, next phrase, if you need water, you want to drink water, then you have to say I feel thirsty. I feel thirsty. Or you can say I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. আমি তৃষ্ণার্ত. I am thirsty. Okay, then you have to say I wanna water. I wanna water. You need water, then you have to say I wanna water. Okay, then this phrase you have to practice more and more.